Hello.
Hi.
How you doing today?
I'm good. How are you?
Why'd they all leave? Turn the camera on and everybody moves out of the way. Well, you got to get back over there too. She's your friend, right? Yeah, but she won't show it in it.
Yeah. No? Okay.
All right, so what brought y'all out today?
My birthday.
Your birthday?
Yeah, it was on Thursday, so I wanted to, because Skylar my birthday also, I always wanted to do it.
Well, cool. So how old are you?
I'm 18.
18?
Yeah.
That's how old I was when I started skydiving. So what made you want to go skydiving?
It's on my bucket list.
To-do list.
Yeah, my to-do list too.
I hear you. Well, I hope you have fun. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
I will see you on the way to the plane.
I'll see you.
You're gonna be my friend. It takes disaster to learn a lesson. You're gonna make it through the darkest night. Some people betray more than class treason. Wanna make everything alright. Woo! They don't faze me, even if I'm looking act really crazy. I will wait till she bets you anything. No, my vision is so lazy. I'm very lucky to have my
Alright, everybody ready to get skydiving?
You're gonna help me back up again. If I fall back down, you're gonna be my friend. If I fall back down.
Are you scared?
Not at all. I'm actually really excited.
You better check on your instructor. He's a little on the nervous side.
Just a little?
Let me see your hands. Yeah, you're scared too, aren't you? Anybody you'd like to say hey to before you leave this airplane?
Oh, no, not really.
Anybody you'd like to say bye to?
You? Yes.
Tell the pilot bye.
I'm okay.
All right.
Bye, Dusty.
I hope you have a good time out there. All right, Ariana.
Yes, Ariana.
How you doing, darling?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing good. So you ready to do this thing?
Yeah, I'm getting there.
You are? You getting there? Well, good. All right, anything you'd like to say before you leave this airplane?
Well, my parents want me to say hi to all my families in Spanish, so hola abuelita y toda mi familia, que ojalá que no me muero.
Well, go.
Yeah, so.
Good deal. All right, well, have fun, and we will see you in free fall.
Okay.
All right, brother, how you feeling?
Good, good.
Are you nervous? Just a little bit. Let me see your hands. Yeah, man, he's shaking. That's fear, man. That's fear.
That's what it is.
Let me see your hands, Nathan. Yeah, that's real fear right there. All right, well, y'all have a good time. Happy birthday, Ariana.
Thank you. Yeah, that's no problem.
Have a good time. We'll see y'all in free fall.
Can I get your hand to ride on? Just a piece of leg to fight on. What a night to fly my kite on. Do you wanna flash a light on? Take a look, it's on display for you. Coming down all night today. Did you meet your fortune teller? Get it off with no propeller. Do it up, it's on with Stella. What a way to finally smell her. Pick it up, it's not too strong for you. Take a piece and pass it on. Fly away on myself. I feel it more than ever. And in this perfect weather, we'll find a place together.
Beautiful.
Oh my god.
Was that fun?
It really was. It was.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you.
Welcome to the world of skydiving. So would you recommend Skydive Atlanta to anyone?
Yes, I would. I actually got recommended by family members, so
Oh, well, good.
you guys.
Well, happy birthday.
Thank you so much.
You did an excellent job.
Thank you.
Y'all pose for a picture real quick. All right. Big smile. All right. Good job, Ariana.
You want to try rolling the eyes?
Huh?
You said you want
Ariana.
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 There you go.
Ariana. Was that fun?
Oh dear God.
Woohoo! Glad you enjoyed it. All right.
Well, I live in Gwinnett, so. I was setting up for you when we booked left.
All right, my friend. What do you think about the world of skydiving?
Amazing. Amazing. I
So
think we had
was-
a pretty good time.
That fun?
Yes. Pop up when you're ready.
Here you go. Give your hand up. Congratulations, my friend. Anybody you would recommend Skydive Atlanta to?
A lot of people.
A lot of people.
Everyone.
Everyone. I hear you.
That was amazing.